If you are a first time parent and you're looking to get a stroller, you absolutely need to go with the Doona. We used this stroller with our first baby and he loved it so much, and so did we. We decided to use it again with our second. So I have my husband here. Hi, Garrett.
Hey.
So tell me what you love about the Doona.
Well, the first thing is that it's extremely versatile, as I'll show you here in a second. But first things first is it's got a expanding arm, just probably like all the other strollers, and it's got 2 and 3 positions, and that will come in handy here shortly. So if we take it back into stroller mode, we got the classic typical stroller arms, latch, lock, and this is the baby added seat for the infants with the added room for the added headrest cushion. And then we have a doll that we can show you how it goes down, but simple as throwing them in there lightly, not throwing them, putting the shoulder pads to the back. It will kind of support their neck, especially as a newborn, as well as when they lay back onto the cushion on the side to side. And then put the thing in between, then you lock it in. One, do the same for the other. Their legs will be a little longer. Well, at least ours was at 20 inches. That will go around their thighs, and then we'll lock in the chest strap. And then there's the strap, just like many other strollers. And we're gonna pull to tighten, and then you just tighten enough to where you can't fold the strap. And this goes just below the armpits, so it's pretty tighter than you would think, but they're pretty comfortable. Yeah. And then they're locked in, they're ready to go. Just throw that strap right on their feet.
Speaking of locks, there's locks on the bottom right here. So the right one, you need to park the stroller, you just do that, and it's easy to release. Yeah, okay. And then it comes with this little sun visor. Something I really like about the Doona is it comes with so many accessories. So no matter what occasion you're wanting to take the Doona to, there are all kinds of accessories for it.
Cup holders to an extended sun visor.
Extra storage pack that you can put, there's everything. This has all the accessories, and it's honestly the most convenient stroller I've ever seen on the market.
And then the last thing to do when you're putting it into your car, the Doona does have a bit of weight, but that sacrifice in weight is due to the convenience of being able to collapse the stroller into your car seat.
Yep. That
you can then set this vertically and be able to put into the base, which is in your car strapped in, and then it will lock in with the bottom of the stroller frame here, lock into place. And then once it's in your car and you're locked in, your baby's good to go. We can show you the lock later.
At the end of this video, we'll show you us putting the Doona in the car just so you can get an idea of how that goes. But it's
and then taking them out just as easy, pulling the same handle, and they're back
into stroller mode.
Yeah.
It's honestly the most incredible stroller I've ever seen, and we have other strollers too, but this one we just keep going back to, and all my other mom friends do as well. So if you're on the fence about the Doona, we have highly, highly enjoyed it. Do you recommend?
Yes, very much so.
This is the Doona base in the car. It's pretty easy and straightforward to get all set up, and I'm going to show you what it looks like to put the Doona in the car. Lock it. So show me the
handle.
The latch handle is on the back to put it from stroller mode into car seat mode.
Yeah,
so you pull
push,
up.
push, and then pull.
Yep.
And then it just
And
collapses. And rear facing.
Oh.
And then once you see the latch, go from red. Usually more weight with it. Yep. To green, you're locked in.
And it's that simple.
And then to pull out again, push in. Good to go.
That's it.